Hello and welcome to News Pulse. The Minister of Development for the North-East region, G. Kishan Reddy, inaugurated an 8.5-kilometer road funded by Ministry of Donor under NESIDS in Dimapur today. Reddy, who is also the Minister for Tourism and Culture, has been in the state holding review meetings and also inaugurated the State Soil Testing Laboratory funded by North-East Council and Ministry of Donor at the Directorate of Soil and Water Conservation, Kohima on Friday. Here in Dimapur, the newly constructed road from National Highway 29 Soivima village gate to Taikal was formally inaugurated by the minister, who was also accompanied by Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland, Y. Patton. The minister said that the primary goal of the new road was to enhance the overall development of Dimapur and maintain that countries are rich because of their roads.
I request all the officers, for money no problem. Government of India, National Highway, we are ready to give the money. I request all the officers, road activity should speed up and road should complete immediately. Friends, Nagaland is one of the self-respect state. Nagaland is the land of opportunities. There is a lot of opportunities. Nagaland is a rich culture traditions. We should increase in the Nagaland, then tourists will come. I request all the officers to expedite, to improve infrastructure. Under dynamic Chief Minister, we are all our development, we are increasing the activity. Different historical background, I don't want to go to details. We have faced a lot of problems so many years. Recently, under leadership of the Chief Minister, under leadership of the Prime Minister, issues are settled. Now this is a time for development. On behalf of Government of India, in this region, developmental activity, with commitment, we are going to implement all the Government India schemes in this region. We are giving, everybody knows, we want to, every house there is a toilet. We want to, every house there should be a power. We want to, every house there is a drinking water, pure water connection, tap connection. We want to, every house there is a, under food security scheme, we want to give rice under Ayushman Bharat scheme, and we are also extending the bank accounts to all the people, and also all self-help groups. We are increasing the bank loan 10 lakhs to the 20 lakhs in coming days. I request the government officers to cooperate all the self-help groups to getting bank loans to the women folk.
We are very fortunate to be a part of the inauguration of one of the roads out of the 7 projects sanctioned during 2019-20 under Northeast Special Infrastructure Development Schemes. The socio-economic activities of the state depends entirely on the road infrastructure. I am happy that the broad objective of NISETS also focuses on development of Northeast region by providing financial assistance for the projects of road connectivity program promoting tourism. The state therefore shall require more assistance from the Ministry of Donors for construction and improvement of roads infrastructure, which would help to promote tourism, sir.
The donor minister also said that the centre will be increasing connectivity in the northeast region, not just in roads or rail, but also in the IT sector. Speaking exclusively to Hornbill TV, Reddy shared his views on the vision of the Government of India and what it has for Nagaland and the northeast region.
Overall development for the Nagaland, not only Nagaland, the northeast region and also India. His vision is the northeast region should develop or par with other states of the country, western side. Without northeast region development, country will not be fulfill dreams. That's why we are concentrating. We is driving special force for developmental activity, and he is given responsibility to me, and every month 16 to 20 ministers they are going to visit northeast all 8 states every month. I'll go to the people, hear the problems of the people, and spot we will discuss officers, and we go back to Delhi, and then we will discuss with the concerned Government of India ministers. We will sanction funds. That is our target.